Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can download Clash Royale on our school Chromebook. So for that, open up your browser and search for up to down. And after that, just click on the very first link that you will see from Google search and let it open, and then click on this search bar and search for Clash Royale here. Click on it and click on latest version and it will be downloaded. But in order to open it up, you will need a different app, as the download will not open up directly. So we will go to our browser again and search for Arc Welder. You can also search for Arc Welder on Up to Down, the website where we have downloaded Clash Royale. And after that, just download the latest version of Arc Welder. You can find Arc Welder on other websites as well. So download this also and install it. After that, you will be able to open the APK file of Clash Royale using Arc Welder, and you will be easily able to play this game. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.